So I tried to take a nap and got woken up by what I could only imagine was maybe a bear. And then realized that it wasn't a bear. It was my boyfriend. Come here, we'll go listen. Yep. God, I love camping. Okay, that's all I had to say about that.